Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what today we are going to create. Let's see how it looks like. You see it has a great effect and I liked how it's showing. Okay, let's see how we can create this thing. At first, we need to create something. We need to create these slides. How we can create them? We create a new slide, blank space, and then go to insert. And from here, we go to icons and wait a little. From here, we go to illustrations and select this and insert it. Then we bring it here. Okay, it's good. Now we go to insert and then again go to icons, and for finding this house icon, okay, I am too bad at finding things, but we find it here. We insert it, bring it down. Now these three shapes, we need to create them. At first we insert this shape, round it, 1, 2, 3, select all three of them, shape outline none, black. You see, it's easy to create them. I create them in the past, because of that I'm going to use the already ones that I created here. 1, 2. Let's not use the, okay, I'm going to use that. I tell you why I can't copy them easily. Okay, we have them here, but some of you may ask how these things come. I insert them from the icons like the first time we see, and this is just a text and nothing more special. But the special thing about them is the link. What I do, let's create a new 3 slide. Here I select that and go to insert and link, and I link them. How I link them, I select this thing. You must select the thing that in the top and go to link and place in this document. I link it, for example, to the slide 6. You see, now it's linked to the slide 6. But the problem here is that all of these objects are will link to some slides that I'm going to fix them. But you can easily link them by the slides you want, and also link this thing to the slide you want. Now we have this thing, we need to add these texts. These texts are just simply text with nothing else in the black rectangle with the transparency of 35. Okay, now let's copy this slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in each slide we copy this text and paste the text here. We copy this text and paste it here, then we copy this text and paste it here. Now let's go and create the slides. We just simply bring this thing down, but don't forget to select the icons too. We select this thing and bring it down. Here we need to bring this up. Let me just select both of them, bring them up, select these two and bring them up, bring them to front, select these two things and bring them down, and here we need to bring these two things up. Let me bring it up and also bring it up. then bring it here. Now the slide that we are working on created, we just simply select as the slide and set the transition to morph. Now you see the effect has been created here. Let me show you the effect. You see the effect has been created, and you can simply by clicking on them go to each slide you want. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and you may find more content like this in my channel. Have a nice